Introducing the automated laundry system REHAU, a revolutionary upgrade for your daily laundry routine. Designed with the modern household in mind, the REHAU system automates every step of the drying and hanging process. No more struggling with heavy wet clothes or cluttered drying racks. With just a push of a button, this ceiling-mounted system lowers itself to your desired height, ready to assist. It features telescopic rods made from aircraft-grade aluminum, extending to hold a full load of clothes, including heavy items like blankets and jeans. The intelligent weight sensing system adjusts the height automatically, ensuring stability and safety. Equipped with powerful fans, UV sterilization, and gentle heat drying, REHAU ensures your clothes dry faster while eliminating bacteria and odors. Say goodbye to dampness and mold, especially in humid environments. Control is effortless. Use the wireless remote, mobile app, or even voice. Assistants like Alexa or Google Home to raise, lower, or activate drying functions. The LED lighting also doubles as a room light, saving space and energy. Worried about power outages? The built-in manual override system ensures your clothes are never out of reach. Sleek, modern, and ultra-quiet, the REHAU automated laundry system seamlessly blends into any interior, making it ideal for apartments, balconies, or utility rooms. Whether you're optimizing space or embracing convenience, REHAU transforms laundry from a chore into a smart, streamlined experience. Upgrade your home. Elevate your routine. Discover the automated laundry system REHAU, where innovation meets daily living. Introducing the Space Grill Fold-Out Grill, the perfect solution for barbecue lovers with limited outdoor space. Compact, stylish, and incredibly efficient, the Space Grill is a full-sized, fold-down barbecue that mounts directly to your wall or balcony railing. When closed, it looks sleek and minimal, almost like a cabinet. But in seconds, it folds out to reveal a high-performance stainless steel grill with generous cooking space. Whether you're grilling for one or a crowd, this space-saving design ensures you don't have to sacrifice flavor for square footage. The dual burners deliver even heat distribution, allowing you to sear steaks, grill veggies, or slow-cook your favorites with precision. One of its standout features is the Easy Clean Drip Tray system, which channels grease away for quick maintenance. After your meal, simply fold the grill back up. The lid doubles as a weather-resistant cover, protecting it from the elements. Built with marine-grade stainless steel, the Space Grill is durable, corrosion-resistant, and designed to handle harsh outdoor conditions. It's ideal for apartments, small patios, or anywhere space is tight, but your appetite isn't. Smart, sleek, and surprisingly powerful, the Space Grill Fold-Out Grill brings gourmet outdoor cooking to places traditional grills can't go. Grill big, store small. That's the Space Grill promise. Meet the REHAU Smart Guard, a modern, invisible security upgrade that transforms your windows into smart guardians of your home. Discreetly installed into the window frame, the Smart Guard system monitors your home's most vulnerable entry points with smart sensors, early detection technology, and proactive deterrence, all without compromising design or visibility. Here's how it works. The moment the Smart Guard detects suspicious vibrations or tampering on the window, it springs into action before a break-in can happen. A warning tone is activated, giving potential intruders a clear message: they've been detected. If they persist, a loud alarm is triggered, alerting you and scaring them off. Unlike traditional alarms that only sound after a break-in, REHAU Smart Guard focuses on prevention. It creates a psychological deterrent that stops intruders before damage is done. Controlled via the REHAU app, you can monitor every window, adjust sensitivity, and receive instant alerts on your smartphone. It also works seamlessly with smart home systems, allowing integration with lights, cameras, and automated responses. Powered by long-life batteries, it continues protecting your home even during power outages. Plus, its sleek, built-in design blends perfectly with your windows. No bulky sensors, no wires, just clean, effective protection. REHAU Smart Guard is perfect for homes, apartments, and vacation properties, anywhere safety, discretion, and design matter. Proactive, elegant, intelligent. The REHAU Smart Guard, security you can trust before you even need it. Say hello to the Meisterbox Paketbox, the ultimate smart parcel box that redefines how you receive deliveries at home. In a world where online shopping is part of daily life, missed deliveries, stolen packages, and weather-damaged parcels are more frustrating than ever. That's where the Meisterbox steps in, offering a secure, weather-resistant, and convenient solution that gives you total peace of mind. Beautifully engineered from durable, powder-coated steel, the Paketbox is built to handle harsh outdoor conditions, from pouring rain to blazing sun. It's tough, tamper-resistant, and sleek enough to complement any modern home entrance. Using it is effortless. When a courier arrives, they simply open the lid, place your package inside, and close it. Once shut, the box automatically locks, securing your delivery until you're ready to retrieve it. You can access your parcels using a digital keypad, Bluetooth app, or a manual key, depending on your preferred model. And with smart versions, you'll get instant notifications when a delivery arrives, even when you're not home. The Meisterbox Paketbox also supports secure return pickups. Just leave your item inside, lock the box, and share a temporary code or app access with your courier. Easy, safe, and efficient. Installation is quick, with options to anchor it to the ground or wall for added stability. Whether you live in a house, townhouse, or apartment complex, Meisterbox adapts to your needs and space. As deliveries become more frequent, smart solutions become essential. With its combination of style, security, and innovation, the Meisterbox Paketbox ensures your packages are always safe and always waiting when you are. Meisterbox Paketbox, smart delivery made simple. Meet the Homevac Central Vacuum System, the future of home cleaning, designed to redefine how you tackle dust, debris, and allergens throughout your entire house. Unlike traditional portable vacuums, Homevac Central is built into the walls of your home. A powerful central motor is installed in a discrete location like a garage or utility room. From there, a network of tubing connects to inlets throughout your house, in the hallway, kitchen, bedrooms, or wherever you need. Just plug in the lightweight hose, and you're ready to clean with industrial-grade suction power. But what truly sets the Homevac Central apart is its smart technology. It connects to your phone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, offering real-time performance monitoring, filter replacement alerts, and cleaning analytics. You can schedule maintenance, track how much you're cleaning, and even get notified if something's clogging the system, all from a user-friendly app. It also works with smart home assistants like Alexa and Google Home. Just say, "Start vacuuming," and the system powers up instantly, ready to tackle any mess. The system is whisper quiet. Since the main unit is installed away from living areas, noise is kept to a minimum, so you can clean without disrupting a conversation, a nap, or your favorite show. And with HEPA filtration and sealed bag systems, Homevac Central doesn't just clean your floors, it improves your indoor air quality by trapping allergens, pet dander, and fine dust particles. From daily messes to deep cleaning, the Homevac Central Smart Vacuum System brings professional-level performance into your home with the convenience of modern smart tech. A cleaner, quieter, smarter way to vacuum, now built right into your home. Introducing the Biolite Backup, a compact and powerful backup energy solution designed for modern homes and emergency preparedness, blending cutting-edge battery technology with smart, user-friendly features. Whether you're dealing with a power outage, heading off-grid, or simply want peace of mind, the Biolite Backup ensures your essential devices stay powered safely and silently. At its core, the Biolite Backup is a high-capacity lithium battery system, available in different sizes, from portable packs for phones and laptops, to larger units that can power mini fridges, Wi-Fi routers, medical equipment, and more. And it's completely gas-free. No noise, no fumes, and no maintenance. Just clean, instant power at the push of a button. It supports multiple charging methods: wall plug, car adapter, and even solar. Pair it with Biolite's solar panel series or your own solar panels, and you've got a renewable power source that charges while you go about your day. On the front panel, you'll find AC outlets, USB-A and USB-C ports, and even a 12V DC car port, meaning it can charge everything from smartphones and tablets to camping gear and drones. The digital display gives you real-time updates on power usage, input, and runtime estimates. What makes Biolite Backup really smart is its energy bridge technology. During normal operation, it works like a pass-through, powering your devices while staying topped off from the wall. But if the grid goes down, it seamlessly kicks in without interrupting power to your connected gear. No fumbling for cords, no flipping switches. It's also compact and travel-friendly. Designed with portability in mind, it features a rugged, stackable build with an integrated handle, making it easy to store or move wherever you need power, whether it's your living room, camper van, or storm shelter. Eco-conscious and built to last, the Biolite Backup is more than just a battery. It's a smart energy companion for modern life. Stay powered, stay prepared, and stay connected with Biolite.